English mindset. Ever wonder if a rainbow bowl can beat a pepperoni pizza?
Let's settle the ultimate food debate and learn some English along the way. Whoa, Chloe, what is that? It looks like a rainbow exploded in your lunchbox.
I know, right? It's my famous leftover glory bowl. We had a veggie stir fry last night, so I just threw the leftovers on top of some quinoa, added some avocado, a few cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of, wait for it, pumpkin seeds. Ta-da!
Pumpkin seeds? Seriously, you and your superfoods. My breakfast was a sad, single banana I grabbed while running out the door. I was this close to missing my train.
Oh, Lucas, a banana is better than nothing, I guess, but you can't run on fumes. What's your go-to breakfast when you actually have time? Don't tell me it's sugar-coated chocolate cereal.
Excuse you, it's chocolatey puffed wheat, thank you very much. But no, my real love is a classic, a massive bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. It's a heart attack on a plate, but oh man, it's glorious. It keeps me full till like 2 p.m.
See, that's where we differ. I'm a yogurt parfait girl. Greek yogurt, granola, berries, it gives me steady energy. No 3 p.m. food coma for me. But I won't lie, I'd probably mug someone for a bite of your sandwich. It does sound amazing.
Noted. I'll save you a bite next time. So what's the deal with the seeds and stuff? Is this a new health kick?
Not really a kick, more like a slow, comfortable walk. I just try to eat the rainbow. You know, different colored fruits and veggies. Each color has different benefits. It's like my body's daily dose of vitamins. Plus, it makes my Instagram photos look fantastic. Eat the rainbow.
No filter needed. I get it. My philosophy is more, eat whatever is closest. My fridge is a mysterious land of condiments and a single jar of pickles. Cooking for one is just so sad. I end up ordering takeout way too much.
Okay, but takeout doesn't have to be bad. What's your usual order? Don't say a large pepperoni pizza.
It's a large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese and sometimes garlic bread on the side.
The term leftover means food that remains uneaten from a previous meal, while quinoa is a protein-rich South American grain often used as a healthy base. To sprinkle something means to scatter a small amount of it over a surface. And superfoods are nutrient-dense foods considered extremely beneficial for one's health. The idiom run on fumes means to continue functioning despite having very little energy or fuel left. And a go-to choice is the reliable option one consistently prefers. A parfait is a cold dessert consisting of layers like yogurt, fruit, and granola. And a food coma is the state of lethargy or sleepiness experienced after eating a large meal. The phrase, eat the rainbow, means to consume a wide variety of differently colored fruits and vegetables to obtain a range of nutrients. Takeout refers to prepared food from a restaurant that is intended to be eaten elsewhere. You are a walking cliché. You know, you could order a Thai curry with lots of vegetables or a burrito bowl with brown rice, beans, and grilled chicken. It's still takeout, but it's way more balanced.
A burrito bowl, you mean like where they put the good stuff on top of rice and you mix it all together? Like your glory bowl, but Mexican?
Exactly. See, you're a natural. You just have to make slightly better choices. My trick is that I always have frozen veggies and some cans of beans in the cupboard. On my lazy days, I can throw together a soup or a quick pasta dish in 15 minutes. It's cheaper than takeout, and I feel less blah afterwards.
Feeling blah is my default setting after a pizza, to be honest. I get it. So what's the biggest benefit of your Eat the Rainbow lifestyle, besides awesome Instagram pics?
Honestly, my skin cleared up like massively, and I have way more energy. I used to crash so hard in the afternoons. Now I'm like the Energizer Bunny. Also, my digestion is, well, let's just say it's a very regular topic of joy.
Too much information. But point taken. Regularity is good. I guess my diet's benefit is pure, unadulterated joy for about 10 minutes, followed by regret and a desire to nap on my keyboard.
Well, joy is important too. I'm not a saint. You should see me with a bag of potato chips. It's not pretty. I become a chip-seeking missile. And don't get me started on chocolate. My love for chocolate is a deep, profound, and lifelong commitment.
Now we're talking. See, we have common ground. I have a hidden stash of chocolate bars in my desk drawer for emergencies, like it's Tuesday emergencies.
It's Tuesday is a perfectly valid emergency. The key isn't to never have fun food. It's just to make the boring, everyday stuff healthy so that when you do have the pizza or the chocolate, you can really enjoy it without guilt.
So what you're saying is I should eat more veggies so I can earn my pizza.
I'd say you deserve your pizza more if you fuel your body well most of the time. It's not earning, it's balancing. Think of it like this. My bowl of quinoa and veggies is the main movie. The chocolate bar is the amazing sequel.
I like that. The main movie is kind of boring but good for you, and the sequel is where all the fun action is. Okay, I can get behind that. Maybe I'll try adding one vegetable to my pizza order, like mushrooms or even pineapple.
Whoa, slow down, cowboy. Let's not get crazy. Pineapple on pizza is a whole other argument we do not have time for today. But mushrooms are a great start. Baby steps.
Deal. Hey, are you finished with your rainbow? I'm gonna go grab a coffee. Want one?
Sure, just a black coffee for me, thanks.
Black? No sugar, no whipped cream, no caramel drizzle?
Nope, I like the taste. And it doesn't need any extra, well, Lucasness.
Ouch, my coffee order feels personally attacked. I'll have you know my triple shot vanilla caramel extra whip monstrosity is a work of art. It's basically dessert in a cup.
And I admire your commitment to dessert, Lucas. Now go get your liquid candy bar. And maybe grab an apple from the fruit stand too? For me?
Fine. One apple for you. But I'm not happy about it. This peer pressure is intense. A cliché is something that is overly predictable and lacking in originality. A balanced diet contains a healthy variety of foods in the right proportions. And feeling blah is an informal way to describe a general state of feeling unwell, lethargic, or slightly depressed. When a skin problem is said to have cleared up, it means it has improved or disappeared entirely. An energy crash is a sudden experience of extreme fatigue, often after a period of high energy or sugar intake, and digestion is the bodily process of breaking down food. Unadulterated describes something that is pure, complete, and not diluted in any way. A stash is a secret store or supply of something. And to fuel your body means to supply it with material, like nutritious food, for energy. Finally, taking baby steps means making progress through very small, cautious, and incremental actions. Okay, so maybe the Rainbow Bowl wins for energy.
And the pizza wins for fun. Remember, it's all about balance.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, pizza or Rainbow Bowl.
See you next time on English Mindset.